This might be one of the best summer upgrades I tested for keeping your car cooler in the summer. There's a discount code in the description, or you can simply scan the QR code here on your screen, and that way you can get 20% off of this accessory or any accessory over at Handshow when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. Oh, this is the retractable windshield sunshade from Handshow, and this is great for your model S3, X, and Y, and the installation is super simple. So we're going to go on and jump in the car and go on and get started. In the package, along with your sunshade, you're going to have 2 hooks here, suction cups, and also right here we have suction cup adhesive pads. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the suction cups, and you can see right here, we're just going to literally just slide that right on in. Now that we have the suction cups on here, we're going to take the adhesive pads, and it's already adhesive there, so we're going to put the sticky pad right here on the suction cup. It will just give it a better stick on your windshield. And this is great, by the way, because this is a durable aluminum frame, and as you can see, whenever we pull it out just a little bit here, you're going to see that this full style figure is going to also reflect a lot of the UV rays, protecting the interior of your Tesla. So we're going to peel off the paper on the other side because that was just protecting it from there. And it is slightly sticky, but it's great. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to push up here in the middle of my windshield as far as I can go. You can zoom in a little bit here. So I'm just going to put it in the middle, and I am just going to push it up right here one good time. I'm just going to come over here on the other side and do likewise. So this is great because you don't have to worry about those big bulky things protecting the sun. Then you got to worry about where to store it, because if your car is parked, it's just a little bar coming up, and you can see now it's going to come all the way up. So the thing is, we're going to take these hooks here, and this is going to literally just go up here on your sun visor. So one is going to go there, and that's a perfect fit. And I'm going to take the other one and pull it on this side like so. And now the cool thing is, anytime that I park and I don't want that sun to come in, because you can probably see the sun is shining today here in Georgia, and we want to protect all of our components in the car. And it also helps with range, because now your overheat protection is not running as much. I am going to pull it up and just line up those hooks. I'm going to put that in there and put it on the other side, and that's that. And already I can feel that the sun heat is like being blocked from the outside, protecting the screen and also the interior. So this is how it's looking in the inside. I'm just going to get out real quick, and this way you can see exactly what it's looking like on the outside. So you can see that it's pretty much covering most of the windshield. You have a little bit on each side. So whenever you get back inside of the car from being outside when it was so hot, all you do is pretty much pull it up like this, and we're just going to just lift it up, and it just retracts back in. So you don't have to worry about now that big bulky thing, and you have to just sit there and fight with it the entire time. So the cool thing too is you also have this electric sunshade that's closing right above me, and you can get an electric sunshade like this, and you can also get the retractable windshield shade, and so much more when you visit my friends over at Handshow. And I'm leaving all of the links down below, because not only can you get these accessories, you can receive any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you use the special promo code JustFrugalMe at checkout. I'm going to link it down below, and also you can check out the QR code here on your screen. And you can check out more videos, all things related to your Tesla and your finances, right over there. Be sure you check it out and subscribe for more accessories, tips, and other things. See you in the next video.